We at the Fourth R Foundation have been researching human nature for the last 35 plus years. We started with researching schizophrenia, and we found that just as children exposed to an unhealthy upbringing grow up neurotic, fetuses that encounter pain in the womb are prone to develop schizophrenia. We reason that if negative experiences in the womb have a negative impact on the mind, then positive experiences must also have a positive impact on the human mind. Thus, we created a hypothesis that explains the cause of human nature. This hypothesis has countless practical applications for the mind sciences, including education. One of the main applications is that basic human nature is learned and not innate, and as anything that is learned can be unlearned. We have created a whole new subject that teaches human nature mastery. As human nature is mostly mind nature, our subject also teaches mind mastery. Another practical application is that we have quantified the mind. Thus, all human actions and all human emotions are also quantified. We have divided the mind development into 4 basic stages as follows. Number 1, premature mind of a newborn child quantified as a value of -2. Number 2, immature mind of a teenager quantified with a value of -1. Number 3, mature mind of an adult quantified with a value of +1. Number 4, super mature mind of a master quantified with a value of +2. Quantifying the mind means that every human activity is now quantified. Take the example of war and peace. War is a premature activity having a value of -2. State of war is an immature activity having a value of -1. Truce is a mature activity having a value of +1. Peace is a super mature activity having a value of +2. In order to achieve +2 results, one must start with +2 ingredients, especially if the supply of -2 ingredients on both sides is unlimited. Take the example of World War I and II. The first war defeated Germany with -2 ingredients. The -2 ingredients resulted in another -2 World War II. Only the +2 Marshall Plan created the current +2 relations between the warring factions. There are many applications even in philosophy and sociology. A, do good because it is the super mature thing to do. Do not commit murder because it is the premature thing to do. Thus, moral values can be quantified and based on pure science. B, the aim of education becomes crystal clear, to teach formal education to create doctors, engineers, and scientists, etc. And another compulsory subject that teaches everyone to become a +2, self-master. C, as there are 4 levels of the mind, there are 4 levels of people in every society and 4 levels of countries.